Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Our Journey to Alaska, episode 1. We made it to Salt Lake City, Utah, and you can see the views behind us are spectacular with the sun or with the snow on the mountains. We're going to meet up with our daughter today, and we're going to head into town, and we're going to take you to some place really cool, so stay with us. Okay, well, we made it to our daughter Kaylee's. We're going to go and see if she knows we're here yet. I don't think she knows we're here, but we're going to go see if we can surprise her.
It might be a hard thing to do, but we're going to try.
Yeah, we're going to try. Okay, we'll see if she's going to come out. Hi, Mila! Hey, we surprised her! Hey! There's Mila! Maggie came to see you. There's Maggie.
Hi, sweetie. Laundry. We brought all of our laundry to you. You want to do it for me?
Nope.
All right, well, we're gonna get some laundry started, and then we're gonna go check some stuff out in town.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we made it someplace. I promised you someplace really cool. Check it out. Let me turn around here. The world's largest Costco. I bet you didn't know it was in Salt Lake City. 235,000 square foot Costco. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. Need a TV? Huge electronics department. This place goes on forever. This is like the north, what would this be? The northeast wing of the store.
Yeah, all the laundry.
This place literally goes on forever.
Lost Mom.
Oh, we lost Mom? Yeah, she'll catch up.
Look at all the toilet paper. You could live here.
I know, it's crazy. Now, I know most of you have been in Costco, and this might be
Look at all the way back
like
there.
unentertaining, but
That's all storage.
yeah, this store is crazy. Still the drink section.
It goes on and on and on.
LaCroix, one of our favorites, and they have 2 different flavors. Woohoo! Super huge Costco. Do you need a whole lamb? Wow. A whole roasting pig? Wow. That's a little pig. Okay, so this is the dairy case. This is cooled, like it's like freezing in here. And you can access it from the doors on the outside in the warm aisles, or you can come walk through, and this is just one aisle. Okay, 3 aisles. 3 aisles, and this is a complete cooler. They're fully cooked, they're turkey, and they're 18 cents an ounce.
Keto on.
Since we are an RV channel, it wouldn't be fair if I didn't show you the tents. Big tents. And another big tent. Hi.
Did you record your shopping day at Costco?
I did a little bit.
I feel like doing that here at the door.
Well, we're at the largest Costco, you know. You gotta show off.
You do.
The fastest way to spend 400 bucks
Costco.
at the world's largest Costco. However, we won't need meat or much anything else till we get to Canada. So,
Yeah, we're stocked up pretty good now.
yeah. All right, let's load this stuff up and
Get out of here.
get the heck out of Dodge. Okay, what'd you guys think of the world's largest Costco?
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
So,
They have like 2 of everything instead of just 1.
yeah. So 235,000 square feet of Costco. Pretty awesome. If you like Costco, you'll like this one. Check it out if you're in Salt Lake.
It has
All right.
everything you need.
Awesome.
Everything.
Stock up.
More than
Yep.
everything.
More than everything. All right, you girls want to go get some lunch?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go get some lunch.
You see the skiers?
Way up there?
Yeah, you see little dots.
Yeah. So what do you think of Park City?
Can we move here?
We can come here in the winter and ski and play in the snow and then leave,
Only if somebody teaches me how to ski.
right? Yeah, it's pretty cool. We had a really good lunch. Now we're gonna head back down toward town and we're gonna check out a graffiti donut, I hear, or rock, or something. Oh, a graffiti rock, not a donut. I must be thinking about donuts. Hey guys, well, needless to say, we never found the graffiti rock. Our son-in-law said he remembered it from when he was a kid, and I don't know if they removed it or they painted it solid color. I don't know. We never found it. So anyhow, we had such a good time with the kids that afternoon that we forgot to close the video out. So we're going to do that now. Thanks for checking out our videos. We really appreciate your support. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join us in our amazing epic trip to Alaska this summer. So until next time,
Safe travels.
bye.